Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to drift in Greenville, how to become the best drifter, the best cars to use, and genuinely like the universal best drift tune in GV. So let's jump straight into it. Now firstly, you're gonna wanna select a car with usually more than 300 horsepower. It can be supercharged, turbo, I don't care. Just more than 300 horsepower, it's enough to drift. Secondly, you're most likely want a car with a lot of torque, so make sure to test your cars after you buy them. I'm gonna show you on screen some of the best cars you can get for drifting. Anyways, the best universal tune is most likely this one. Stiffness and damping, you like minus 100 everything, and on the front simply put plus 100 and minus 100, or actually plus 100, depends on what car you have. You gotta test it. Personally on my Mustang I have minus 100, but you can choose whatever, and obviously drift tires because of course you're drifting. Secondly, the steer angle. Now here's something, a pro tip. You're actually gonna wanna set your camber, your front camber, like in the Formula racing cars, set it to minus 100 and just like offset it out maximum, like this. It actually gives you more steering angle, so you can hit better drifts and better saves, if you know what I mean. Damping is usually, you can just test it out. This is the best on the Mustang, the GT350, and actually just remove traction control because it's very annoying to keep activated and deactivating, so I just removed it. Also rear wheel drive, if your car isn't already. Example on the BMWs, just set it to rear wheel drive. And yeah, that's about it. You can also slam your car, put some nice wheels and whatever. Yeah, and the end result is actually pretty good. You can see the end result. Also, you're gonna wanna drift in manual all the times, because semi or anything other than manual actually sucks, and you're a bad person if you use semis, especially if you own a BMW. Yes, I hate the BMWs. They're just so easy to drift, no skill, literally. And yeah, I hope this guide helps. I see a lot of people on other platforms telling you this and that and just like wrong. I actually suck. And yeah, I just wanted to make a video to show you guys how to actually drift, because yeah,